laundry business. As a female, you can do laundry. As a male, you can roast corn. You can open a hairdressing salon as a male. How to choose the type of business that will flourish in your area? I noticed that many people, especially female, most females, they go into the same type of business that others are doing. For example, most of them, they are into makeup, eyelashes, nail tech and all that. Almost everybody is doing the same thing as a female. But there are other things you can do aside those things. You must not do a business because that is what the females are doing. You can actually do the things that men are doing and you will make money. For instance, in your area, it might be that everywhere there is salon, everywhere, many salon in your street and all that. So for that, in order for you to make it, what you have to do, maybe a hairdressing salon is everywhere. You as a female, you cannot go and learn barbing and start barbing in that your area. You stand out as the only female barber in that area or in that community. So you will now be identified and known as the only female barber in that your area. In that case, your business will thrive, your business will flourish, you will succeed. Same thing for male. As a man, you can even open hairdressing salon. You can roast corn as a man. You must not do things that this is what men do. Men does not open a hairdressing salon. Men does not do nail and all that. Check very well. If you see any man that is doing things that the female folks are doing, you see that the men will succeed. They succeed more in that trade. Even female as well. Most of the female that are doing things that men are doing, they succeed more. So when you check your area where you are living, you check if maybe there's a particular business that have been saturated by men, then you do the opposite. If you're a man, if you're a female as well, there's a particular business that have been saturated by female, you can do the opposite as well, and your business will go well. You will make it. But you doing because others are doing female salon, they do most the salon they succeed in and all that. If you are doing those things, your business might not go well. Do the opposite at times. Go extra mile. Be consistent. There's no business that there is a written law that this business is for female, this one is for male. So just look for any business that is not saturated in your, or even if it's saturated, come in a different form. If everywhere, if you are a man now, everywhere in your area is a female salon and all that, you can come up with the same female salon that is in your area. Everywhere is female salon. Come, but now as a man, so you are the only man that owns hairdressing salon in that area. In that case, people will patronize you more. Same thing goes for the female folks. So the goal of this video is to tell you to look for a niche of business that is not crowded by your gender, and enter into that business in your area. It will move. Make sure you register your business, so you position your business, because you should have a mindset of scaling, expansion. Just open business that is not crowded. Brand your business very well. Make sure it's registered in case of tomorrow, so that either a service or business, brand it very well. Look for a niche that is not all that crowded and go into it. You will succeed. Stop looking for what to do, why what you want to do is everywhere around you. Don't say this business. As a female, you can run this laundry business. As a female, you can do laundry. As a male, you can roast corn, you can open hairdressing salon as a male. So there's no business that is meant for male or female. Just look for the one that is not crowded, then you do it and you will succeed. So that is what I'm telling you. If you have not been following this channel, it's better you follow me now, and then tell me your mind in the comment section as well. Then share this video, like and comment, then share this video.